Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete bookmarks on Chrome browser. So to do that, let's head over to our Chrome browser. So once you are there, as you currently see, I am in my Chrome browser with my Google account opened. And in here, you will find all your bookmarks on the top right corner. And here, if you tap, you will find all the bookmarks in here. And then just right click on any one of the bookmarks, and here you will find all the options in here. So if you want to remove this from the bookmark, just go to bookmark manager, and here if you want to delete one of them, suppose I want to delete this one, so what I will do is just to tap on the three dots on just right beside the bookmark, and here you will find the option of delete. Tap on delete, and if you change your mind, you can also undo it. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video.